toward you. There you go.
1, 2, 3, 4.
So where did these bears come from? Did they just show up so now that's how many there are? So tell me how you solved this problem. Did you count the bears? Yeah. And how did you know that you should solve the problem this way with the bears? Did you do 2 and 2 is 4? Kind of like this, how you have 2 and 2, like a number bond. So we could put 2 and 2 and then add 4 more, like that.
Are you sent this to my mom?
No, it's just gonna go for school so that I can be a teacher. Is that okay? Okay. So you see how these are right here. I need 2 plus 2 equals 4. Could you have figured it out that way too? Yeah. So how many cubes do you have?
5.
And if you take 1 away, how many do you have now?
4.
4. And how did you figure out how to solve that?
To count?
Did you count back and take 1 away?
Yeah.
You did 5 minus 1 and equals 4.
Yes.
So you can so how are we gonna add 2 plus 7? Can we put them all together? Or can we count them? Or can we do a number bond? What are you thinking?
Counting.
You wanna count them? Okay.
9.
There's 9, so is that how many counters we have with the 2 and the 7? So 2 plus 7 equals 9. Good job.
4.
How did you get that answer?
I could gather.
You added 2 and 2 to make 4. And
Check is a golfer.
no, not right now. How did you know that you could solve the problem that way? Is it similar to a number bond? Or kind of the number sentences?
We could divide sentences. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15.
Okay, so, and how many balloons flew away?
The balloon flew away. 5 of them.
Is that 5? Okay, so how many balloons do we have left?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11.
We should count, let's count one more time.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. We're only supposed to have 10 balloons. So we had an extra counter. So how many balloons should we have left now?
10.
10. And how did you figure out that problem?
Because you took one away.
I took 1 away. Yeah.
And then I knew that there was 5 more away. And then I 10.
That's right.
6, 7. Wait, what?
There are 7 horses and 2 unicorns. How many animals are there?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9.
There's 9. And how did you get that?
Yeah, I counted it.
But what numbers did you start out with? How many horses were there?
Here were
7? Was there 7 horses? And then you added 2 to 7?
Yeah.
And what did that make?
What?
And what did 2 plus 7 equal? How many do you have right here?
9.
So 7 plus 2 equals 7 and 2 is
11.
9.
9.
9.